gosh, look at this. Ariana Grande could never. My hair kind of looks like a bird's nest. The last time I straightened my hair was in this photo right here, which was in the year 2012, which was 9 years ago. That's old enough to be a children. Now my hair is super healthy. In the past 9 years, my hair has not gone through any hair dye, bleach, or heat until today. It's gonna be a fun time, y'all. But before I begin, I would like to say thank you to Ara for sponsoring this video. This is what my hair looks like right now. Definitely serving Harry Potter, you know, Hagrid vibes, which I actually love, by the way, okay? I do not hate this look at all. But to last, we must go wash it. So let's go wash and prep the hair. First, I'm going to wash my hair. I'm gonna be using my custom-made shampoo from Ara. Ara creates custom hair care products for literally every single hair type. First, you're going to take a quiz so they can get to know your hair. And then you'll choose customized hair goals. But the coolest part is that you can put pigment into your hair products, y'all. They have so many cool colors, and they even show you what it's gonna look like on your specific hair color before you get the products. The products are vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and silicone-free. And they also show you the ingredients before you purchase the products. The shampoo was hands down my favorite. It had a very luxurious lather that left my hair feeling clean but also moisturized and not dried out. The conditioner had immediate slip. It allowed me to work through all of my tangles, and it was definitely a more richer moisturizing conditioner. If you would like to order your own custom set, check the link in my description box for a discount code.
Where the hell have you been, Loca?
So I actually don't want to use a straightener just because I just get a lot of bad vibes from them. So I'm gonna be trying this no heat method. I've never tried it before, so we shall see the results. All you need is bobby pins and a comb. So I actually used to straighten my hair every single day for many years. The cool thing back in the day was to have bone straight hair. Even in like movies like The Princess Diaries, like when they showed her curly hair, they showed it in a way that was like in a negative light, like, oh look, she has curly hair, and then she turned pretty after they straightened it. So of course, growing up with that kind of, you know, representation, people get the idea that, okay, I don't want textured hair, I want straight hair. But now there is a massive curly hair community on how to embrace your hair texture, and I absolutely love that. And that is exactly why I haven't straightened my hair in so long, because I learned how to take care of my curly hair and I love how it looks and I'm happy with it. All right, here is the last piece. Once you look like you listen to My Chemical Romance, that's how you know you're almost there. Okay, so now I have to grab bobby pins. Also, when you put bobby pins in your hair, make sure the wavy side is against your scalp, not the other way around. That's the correct way to use it, which totally blew my mind when I first learned that, but it makes a huge difference. Okay, so I have the front done right here. I only have these little bits left. We're almost there. Hopefully this works. I've never tried it. So this is what my hair looks like so far. I'm feeling kind of good about it. I'm feeling kind of good. So now I'm gonna release this last section. Oh, I kind of look like that one art piece of the girl that goes like this. Ariana Grande could never. And here is the last bobby pin. The last melon. My hair kind of looks like a bird's nest. I feel like some blue-footed boobies are just gonna appear on the top of my head. Okay, so I have my Dyson dryer here. I think I'm gonna use it on low heat. And then we shall see. My sister came over real quick to drop off some food and she saw my hair. What were you saying?
Okay, first of all, I called you pleekly head ass.
From Lilo and Stitch?
Yeah. Squash from Veggie Tales head ass.
That Mr. Lund!
Yeah. Literally looks like this dude in this meme.
Look.
You're just mean because you're British. Yeah, it's because you're from Britain, because you're English people. You're mean. I did nothing to any of you. You know what?
Martin said you look like you got a toupee.
Yeah, that's what Martin said.
6.5 hours later.
So it is almost 10 o'clock at night. It has been 3 freaking hours. So you know what? This thing, it's done. It's gotta come out. So, okay. My hair was definitely not ready. It was not dry. But this is what it looks like so far. It's super long. That's my belly button. It looks more stretched out than straight. I'm gonna finish blow drying my hair on with heat with this hot brush. I've never done it before, so let's see. Let's practice. Okay, so there's actually a big difference between blow drying it with this brush. So I'm gonna do it on the other side. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it. Yo, I'm sweating. I don't know if it's because of the work I'm putting in or from the heat, bruh. Y'all, it is 11:30 p.m. and I just put on a whole outfit just so y'all can appreciate the full fantasy of the final result. Okay, so y'all better smash that like button. Like, I don't even care. Y'all better recognize, all right? Check it. Martin, my hair is straight. When is the last time you saw my hair straight?
When you were a teenager?
Yes, I was a teenager, bro. So this is the first time you're gonna be seeing my hair straight as an adult.
Whoa! I feel like I'm hurting you.
Look how long that
Hey,
is.
it looks so nice.
Isn't it super long?
It is. Wow.
So, what do you think?
Wow. It's different. I love your curvy hair.
Yeah.
But it looks super nice.
Not a high five. Kiss me. What the hell are we, buddies? The one thing I love the most that I can do, this is the one thing I'm jealous of when it comes to people with straight hair, okay? This. I can't do this. I could never do this without pain. I am really happy with how it came out, especially for the fact that I didn't even use a hair straightener. I used the minimal amount of heat possible. So with that being said, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. After I'm done wearing my hair straight, I'm gonna show you guys the routine I'm gonna use to revert my hair back to its curly state to minimize damage and to help it recover. Okay, so I straightened my hair on Monday and today is Friday. So this is what my hair looks like. Honestly, I still think that it looks good and I was able to make it last 5 days, which is not that bad. Look at the back. It looks so good. But my scalp is hella itchy, so it's definitely time to wash my hair. So first I'm going to deep condition to really replenish my hair and give it back its moisture, to really help it bounce back, to give it some buoyancy, you know? I'm going to use the Aura hair mask. I got my mask customized to enhance my curls and to repair my hair. It contains shea oil and coconut oil to deeply moisturize and rice bran oil to strengthen the hair. Goodbye, straight hair. You will be missed. Missed. Get it? I'm sorry. I'm gonna really focus on the ends of my hair. Hair masks and deep conditioners are essential to maintain the length and the health of my hair, so I make sure to do this at least twice a month. This mask in particular delivered very powerful, rich moisture to soften my hair, but I could also feel the protein and how it was strengthening and repairing my hair as well. Look how long my braids are, oh my gosh. So now, I'm going to put on my deep conditioning cap. Okay, so I just came out of the shower and my hair is looking really good. So now I'm just going to diffuse for about half an hour, air dry, and we shall see the results. I diffused my hair for about half an hour and then I air dried and then I broke my hair cast, and I absolutely loved my results. My hair came out super shiny, very soft, moisturized, and very defined. So thank you to Ara again for sponsoring this video. If you would like to order your own custom collection like mine, use my code PENNY20 for 20% off, link in the description. My hair is back! Yay! So that was me straightening my hair for the first time in 9 years. Although I enjoyed having straight hair, honestly, it's just a lot of work and I don't see myself doing it again and again. But I did really like that stretching method because there was no heat involved, and it's just like a really easy way if I want to switch up my hair and try some, you know, straight hairstyles. I don't know, you let me know if you like my hair better straight or curly. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye!